Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello, fellow Yeeps. In this video, I will explain how to make chicken noodle soup in Yeeps hide and seek. First, jump into creative mode to unlock all your building potential. You'll want to gather various blocks to represent your ingredients. Think about finding blocks for chicken, carrots, celery, and even some long, thin shapes for noodles. Don't forget to grab some water blocks and fire elements to set the scene for cooking. Next, let's build our cooking station. Use different block types to construct a realistic-looking stove or a cozy campfire. Then, create a large, hollow pot structure. This will be where your delicious virtual soup comes to life. Position some fire elements directly underneath your pot to give the impression of a simmering heat, making your setup look truly authentic. Now for the fun part, assembling your soup. Begin by carefully placing your chicken and vegetable blocks inside your pot structure. Next, add water blocks to represent the comforting broth that will bring all the flavors together. Finally, incorporate your noodle shapes and any other small decorative elements to make your virtual chicken noodle soup look as appetizing and realistic as possible within the game. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time for the grand reveal. Arrange your virtual chicken noodle soup in a decorative bowl or a designated serving area you've built. Then, invite your friends to come and admire your impressive culinary creation. Don't forget to share your unique soup design with the entire Yeeps hide and seek community, inspiring others with your imaginative cooking skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.